Hello friends, welcome to Quant Question of the Day. We have taken this question from CAT 2018. It says, in an apartment complex, the number of people aged 51 years and above is 30. And there are at most 39 people whose ages are below 51 years. The average age of all the people in the apartment complex is 38 years. What is the largest possible average age in years of the people whose ages are below 51 years? Now let us write some values. Number of people, as the question says, the number of people aged 51 and above is 30. So number of people aged 51 years and above, this is 30. Let number of people below 51 years, let this figure be x, because it says there are at most 39 whose ages are below 51. So maximum value that this x can take is 39. So total people are 30 plus x. The average age of all the people in apartment is 38 years. Let average age of people aged 51 and above be y, and let average age of people below 51 years be z. Now the question says average age of all the people in apartment is 38 years. So this gives me total age of all the people aged 51 and above will be 30 multiplied by y, because number of people aged 51 and above is 30 and we have assumed their average age to be y. So total will be 30 multiplied by y plus total age of all the persons below 51 will be x multiplied by z. This gives me total age. Now number of persons is 30 plus x, so divided by 30 plus x is equal to 38. This gives me 30y plus xz is equal to 38 multiplied by 30 plus 38x, which is equal to 38 multiplied by 30 is 1140 plus 38x. This gives me xz is equal to 1140 plus 38x minus 30y. Now question is asking me largest possible average age of people whose ages are below 51. तो मुझे इस z का largest possible value चाहिए. For largest possible value of z, RHS should be maximum. For maximum RHS, this y should be least possible and this x should be largest possible. So maximum value of this product xz, इस प्रोडक्ट का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगा 1140 प्लस 38 multiplied by 39. Maximum value that x can take is 39 because it says there are at most 39 people. x का maximum value है 39 और minimum value for this y will be 51. So 30 into 51. This is equal to 1140 plus 1482 minus 1530, which is equal to 1092. This gives me value for Z as 1092 divided by X. We have taken X in this place as 39. So here again you will put X as 39. So 1092 by 39 gives me 28. So largest value that this Z can take is 28. That means the largest possible average age of the people whose ages are below 51 years will be 28. So answer to this question should be option number D. Thank you.